Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy crityreacts. On this one, wait, before I forget, let me use this opportunity to show appreciation to young Gary 420. He actually purchased our super tanks, and I want to say thank you for purchasing our super tanks. It is not easy. He is now our third purchaser. I want to say thank you, and I want everyone to actually thank him for me. If you're watching this comedy, comment and thank this guy for me. Young Gary 420, thank you and God bless you. All right guys, today we're actually going to be thrilling you with so much funny scenes on this comedy compilation. Do stick around and watch it to the end, because there is a giveaway in this comedy. Urgent 2K giveaway, urgent 2K giveaway. Please do not hesitate to watch to the end. It is only when you watch it to the end you're actually going to see the video. Yes, I have a video here, so the instruction is inside the video. There's no need to waste any of your time. The instruction is right inside the video. And mind you, our membership has been turned on. The excess of that membership is for you to get special treatment, like special offer. You're going to be having a verified badge attached to your name. Whenever you're commenting, a verified badge, very colorful, will be near, like attached to your name, and that will make people to know that you are our family, you belongs to us. And also, you're going to be watching every video first that we upload. You're going to watch it first before any other people can watch it. And there are also many offers. Just click join, click the join button there, and you will see the offers I am going to be giving to you. Special treatment, but the only thing you'll be doing is just for you to add your card details. You add your card details and you can choose any amount you will be paying, so YouTube will automatically be depicting it from your card every monthly. But I am going to be giving you this special offer. All right guys, without further ado, let's quickly dive into today's comedy. Make a no waste on our time.
Landlord, I will give you your money. I will give you your money now. Ordinary 3 years rent, now they pushing me up and down. I know they town.
Can you imagine? My friend, make sure that you pay your
Hello sir, listen. Normally I'm supposed to transfer your cash, since I suppose don't transfer your money, give you or give you in cash.
Yes, that's exactly what
now you try to say one collects transfer and they collect cash, so you only collect BTC, bitcoins, so that make you go trade them with Airtel coins, since they fast and reliable.
So I only trade with Airtel coins.
Hello.
So I only trade
Yes
with
sir,
Airtel coins.
but as it is,
You are very correct.
so what is 3 years rent that you are?
Bring my money. Bring
Sorry
my money
sir,
to me.
but I'm not in Nigeria currently.
You're not in Nigeria.
No, I know the Nigeria.
Where did you go to?
I go Egypt.
Can you imagine? You took
I
me.
go see my sister for Egypt. When I come back from Egypt,
Not in Nigeria.
no, I know the Nigeria.
You mean say you know the Nigeria?
I know the Nigeria.
Motell, where you did like this? Where you did? Wait, you know the Nigeria, abi?
Landlord,
No, you know the Nigeria. Where be this?
you come Egypt. I don't understand you.
Today, you not get wetin you want tell me. You must pay my rent.
Landlord.
Complete and nothing when you want talk.
Landlord.
I will lock you up.
Wait now,
No,
make I
come back out. Just move.
wait,
Pack
no, make
out.
I explain.
Oga, pack out.
Wait, let me. You be
Oga,
man, I
pack
be
out.
man, I beg.
You be man, I'll be man.
What's going on here?
Poverty, you go do best
Listen to General.
What happened?
Hey, I think the car broke down. Just help me go and push it from the back. Let me drive and we'll leave this place.
Me? Push car.
Just help me push now.
I cannot push car.
Are you serious?
Push car, not push car. I'm calling my dad. Hello, daddy. My boyfriend car broke and he's telling me to push the car.
Don't worry, I'll send a car to your location.
Where?
Wow.
Oh, daddy, I love you.
Best
Thank
I've
you,
ever
daddy. Let's go and use that one.
And it's a kind of help to the general, honestly. I swear.
Baba, I need to do me like
Sir, your bill, sir.
Hey, I forgot my ATM.
Don't die, my friend.
And I and my babe wash plates.
Yes, you guys can watch me.
Wash plate. Me gonna wash plate though. Now I'll call my daddy. Hello, daddy. My boyfriend went and he could not pay for the food we ate. Saying we should wash plates.
Don't worry, I'll send you money now.
Let's have it.
You send it.
My dear,
This guy's actually
you see this man what they call God.
taking advantage.
Hey, baby, send me us like this now. See mosquito everywhere.
Calm down now. See, I was supposed to buy that 5-bedroom I did for you for 3 billion naira. It's just that my phone is dead now. I would have contacted Airtel Coins, the best crypto trading platform, to trade my gift cards with them. And I don't like the fact that you keep calling your father. Or do you want to call your father?
No, call my father. What?
Oh yeah, no.
Hey!
Opportunist.
What's wrong with him?
Your father have a kidney failure.
Hey! My blood is not...
And you need to undergo kidney transplant. We need a donor urgently.
Doctor, use me.
But babe, you don't know my father.
You? I need to know how to help him.
Are you serious?
How to love this your papa.
What a perfect gentleman.
You go do marry this girl people
Not
house.
any perfect gentleman. Say what a perfect gentleman. Person they won't make the papa heal quick so that he could start to the benefits. You say it's a perfect gentle Kenny. This is something. It's POV African parents for no reason.
Can't you hear me knocking, sis? Even though you are shitting, what if somebody else wants to use the toilet? You are locking toilets in the house everybody is using.
What's going on here? Hold it.
You don't understand what I'm saying now. Until something happened to you inside toilet and nobody can help you. Continue locking the toilet.
Is there anything bad locking toilet? No wonder they said African parents for no reason. They will just want to disturb your peace. They can't just fool them seeing you doing nothing without disturbing.
I got the advice from a madman. Which kind of girls with this?
You know like Igbo girls? Can I bomb me?
Anna bomb with your papa. You like this? Igbo girls are Igbo boys. Who with this papa?
Bitch, you.
Well done, boss.
Nasty.
Which kind of bitch with this? Who they knock again? How many girls you marry from my house?
No, this one hot.
Yeah.
Where's my baby?
You know about it.
Hey, you! You this cheap witch.
Wait, Jesus.
And you will meet again. And I'm glad you did. And today, I'm going to show you I am more powerful than you are.
Calm down. Happy reunion. See, this is a Christian woman. You guys can be witch fight here, okay? Bless Jesus.
Now, show me your power by turning him back.
They use me to do experiment. Sorry. See, I didn't even know you had a wish before, but please, you better be powerful.
Shank, turn back.
You dey whine me. They told me to bread, they talk accent. Shout it out. Are you playing?
Shank, turn back.
Yeah. So this guy no be real witch.
You can see I won.
Look at this one.
What be this?
Wakanda forever.
Subhanallah. So this witch na Black Panther. Oh my Jesus.
Shank, I'm sorry I lost.
And you will lose forever.
We'll see later.
Twisting witch.
Turun. She's actually a twisting witch. Shall come his mouth. Which one is twisting witch? Let's see this one first. Loudly.
I'm very good. When they stand up for anybody for this bed, I won't call Jamie. When I don't call Jamie, we'll sleep together.
I don't understand. Go on, punish you. Your brain is paying you.
Who's this guy?
I don't understand this hotel clean now. Go clean my room. There they sleep on top of my bed. Jesus!
Are you?
Because I've done nonsense. I'm taking I'm sitting in my room.
Come here. Hey, go buy me condom. Kiss. I said kiss condom.
Kiss they send you. Kiss condom they send you. You want to kiss my baby? Kiss condom. No sense. Let's see this one. Turn it up for the next comedy. From Iwundu, the baby.
This road just dry today.
Iwundu baby. This one is actually mad.
Stop that motor. Hey, back.
The car is actually running.
Hey, back here. Master, back here. Master, what's the problem? Yeah!
Babe, I am done. I am so done.
Babe, after 8 years, you won't leave me?
Nduka, I cannot date you anymore. How can you be squatting with a friend and squatting with a friend?
Babe, what mean I go soon back now? Go remain only 2.
Yes, I am done with you.
Babe!
Police don't catch an ex for chat.
Okay, how now? What is the papers now? Which time they make check papers? You see if you no go know. Young man, you a thief. Enter motor. Okay, they hurry you. As I enter motor, hurry, enter motor, no they come here. Officer, my papers complete.
What's the problem now?
Will you keep quiet there? They go, you a thief, they go station.
The guy really don't know the kind of trouble like that.
I say this one a thief, this one a kidnapper. Right now. Keep quiet. I say make it right now. What did they worry you?
Okay, my name is Napari. I be driver.
Sure, sir. How are you boys? Fine, sir. Have you submitted the case file to my office? Yes, sir. Have you arrested the armed robbers I told you about? Yes, sir. You have done well. Very good. Thank you, sir.
What's going to happen now is that... see that?
Babe,
didn't tell me you're coming to my office. You're supposed to be in the hospital with your mom.
I was on my way to the hospital when your boys brought me here for nothing.
Yeah!
I beg you.
My boys brought you here?
Yes.
Which one of them brought you here?
This one.
Senator, sir, you brought my wife here. Your wife? No. Let me not be wicked. Look, tell me, what's her offense?
Let's have it.
I've been there less busy for road. Now I just hold her. You were less busy. You arrested my wife and brought her here.
Don't dare my friends.
Arrest him. Don't give up with inside, sir. Make sure it doesn't leave for 48 hours. Yeah! Fuck him up. Leave me up. You hold your phone. If you call my mama, don't give me any days. My mama won't manage for me. Sorry.
Tell me something you wanted to call your mama.
Young man, you said you want to marry my daughter. So, what do you do for a living?
Honey!
Sorry, excuse me.
Oh my God! Daddy!
What happened? What's going on here?
Please, you do this all the time. Always! I won't take this anymore. Not anymore. Mommy, what happened to Daddy? Don't mind your dad. Come on, 3 million that I asked him to give me to get a new wig. He's telling me to wait till next week. I'm not supposed to wait till next week. I just taught him a little lesson compared to the one I will do to him next time. I remove his eyeball. Hey! Mommy, now this thing you're doing is not nice. The last time you broke his ankle, now his head. He's still your husband now. Pity this man. Oh, sorry, my dear. I forgot we have a visitor. He's the one you'll be telling us about, right? Yes, Mommy, and I love him so much.
I beg your pardon.
But hope he's taking care of you and providing for you.
Okay. Here's the phone.
Yes. But
Relax.
Bad man, don't threaten me.
Don't say anything because the mother na Jagaban.
Lakaka. See my guy, you. Alpha blood. Eagle. People they change you. This guy na my guy. If you go, don't be a ballis now. Don't change. Why they behave like that now? Alpha blood. You know just the followers they talk again for area. I know make sense now. As they make your eyes up because all of us join you happy. Only you can just enjoy the fire, the fresh alone. More day we gonna make the squad for complete. Lord.
Don't. Talk to me.
Everywhere good. Don't let you enjoy alone. Because it first us blow. I greet you, blood.
I greet you too.
Where do you go tell King?
Wait till you hear.
You go tell King say na me be the choosing one to go inside Full Forest, go look for the choosing egg.
Now you the gods choose.
Why my name no be Ikemefuna? Blood, what I go do for Full Forest? For small issue when me and you get.
I don't get your time.
Blood
on the vanish.
Choosing one.
Jesus.
Hi, hello. At least if I buy this one now, they go banish me come out for the community.
Just because you don't want to be a choosing one. You want by person. That's a fun idea. If it goes well with you, if it sits well with you.
Hey! So there's this business idea that I got and I want to venture into.
Ha! If not be overdue, we're going to eventually put you for trouble.
Babe, where are you going to?
So if not be now when me and you dey here, I no go bring up business idea. Now you there for palace since they chill, they watch Netflix. You don't tell me about business idea. We go dine and go job. You don't tell me about business idea. I ain't really bedroom again something now. Business idea don't dey fly everywhere for your head. I know they in the mood again.
Oh, let's chill now.
My prick don't fall.
Bola don't fall. It's no longer active. Oh. Leave me alone. It's not active. You don't know that certain things that can actually make that thing not to be active anymore. Let's see which one we do.
Come on, remove your dirty stick before putting your big legs inside my house. Are you okay?
Sorry, man.
What the madam? What?
Be fast now. Where is the hot water? Calm down now. Is it not the hot water I'm bringing? You said sorry.
Your village people is walking against you. That's how you die, yo.
Top up your 1xbet account and get surprises. Register on 1xbet.
The first time, your hand.
Get 200%.
The second time, hot water on you. Like, maybe the third person that's coming to help you or to treat you definitely going to do big harm to you. Well, there is something in this comedy. Let me say a little giveaway. Very
wake up, let's do our morning devotion fast and move on with our day. Oh yeah, now lead us in a short prayer.
Watching.
In Jesus' name. Amen. Amen.
Oh my God, glory. I thank you for my name be in Jesus' name. Oh my God, I thank you for this life you gave to us. In Jesus' name I pray.
Are you playing? What type of play is this?
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done now.
You have prayed. Are you done? Are you done praying? I say show lead us in prayer. Are you done?
I'm finished now.
That's that.
God have mercy upon us.
Serving a living God, I am serving a living God.
First, I accept until Jack. What problem?
Is this what you want to be doing, Chinedu? This is what you want to be doing. They asked you to pray. You could not pray. Ha! Well, I trust the mother. I know what the mother will do. Let's just watch this video.
Pity for you. You did use your function to play. God,
that's her mother. Can you see her there? Can you see her? Keep singing. Keep singing. Just they sing. Just they sing. Who answer your
He didn't ask any question. He didn't ask any question. It's just what? Just do that. This is the kind of things that you put all your energy inside. Come on, morning devotion, you cannot pray. I'm with you spiritually.
Roderick. Guys, place bet on your favorite Premier League match and get cash back every week on 1xbet with the English Football Time promo. Register my promo code DK300 to get 300% bonus on your first deposit.
Here is our giveaway. Who can tell me?
La caca. Pepper soup.
Pepper soup.
I know so I go feed too. No say I be vegetarian.
Vegetarian, okay?
We know they eat meat.
You ain't the chop meat any are you? Alpha, bring water come.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I know a lot of you guys do not understand this comedy, so I'm going to be using it as a medium to do just chicken giveaway. 2,000 urgent 2K giveaway. If you know what it means, why that guy on the way, let me know in the comments. Urgent.
Can you help me for salt and fresh pepper? I forgot to buy it at the market.
1 minute.
Get
Nico, sorry I'm disturbing you. Can you help me for small red oil and money?
1 minute.
Oh, thank you.
Are you going to beg again?
Neighbor! Can you help me for small crayfish?
You know go need small goat meat.
You get?
I get.
Give me that.
What of old fruity pumpkin?
Give me now. I'm not give.
1 minute.
Good neighbor. It could say Baba me.
She said it could say Baba me. You are no longer cooking.
No, please, can you help me with Gary?
We don't get Gary. Now fufu we get. Come join us.
I don't get to.
Come join us. Come join us. Come join us.
Jesus.
Somebody has
Officer, mechatronically, I'm the conjugal owner of that soup.
Ah.
You are going to jail.
Slap it on his face. mean, at this place. How can you be borrowing? The best thing he just did is what I would do. Take everything. Kuku, go and cook it.
My man. My yes, they come back from your babe side though.
Which of my babe?
I know say you get them plenty, but that fair one.
Jesus. I'm just break up last week.
Nah lie.
I go lie for you.
Oh, I see.
Me and I'm break up last week.
Why you not tell me say you don't break up with them now?
Why you go her house without me?
I was just passing by. I said let me breeze by and greet her, and she gave me a warm welcome.
Breeze by Bagra Agari. She give you food.
Very sweet girl. My man, babe. When you marry my man.
I should tell him that.
I take the appointment. See the appointment. You know, say you're doing to that third boy gender.
That's not me about you. Where you especially put you for trouble.
Does your friend know you're here?
You get the kind of hunger when you catch you. I can't see my man, babe. Now you know say.
You say you're just passing by.
I carry my hungry man side. Come your house. No, I beg. I will tell her later.
I said I carry my hungry man side.
Okay, enjoy your food. I want to go inside. I have something I'm doing inside.
I will. I will. Oh, when she gave me food.
Jesus. Person why I cheat on, he catch me. See anywhere when see me and my friends, then go finish us. Then you go chop for your house.
I'm pay fine. Let me call it fine. Help like me imagine that why they are his babe.
That is really happy.
Move stay here, Global. Stay here. What's the problem? Igwe, take a very good look at her. I have found her. Look at her.
I don't know.
Don't you recognize her?
Mazi Global Money, I don't know her.
Igwe, think back to 25 years ago. Look at her.
It's not me, I'm only 24 years old.
Yeah, you are 24 years. Hold on. Igwe, do you remember Margaret? That girl that you gave money to come and see you in Owerri, that she ate your transport. This is her daughter.
Hey!
Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus.
The daughter of Margaret.
Yes. If you move.
Hey, that's a 24.
Hello.
This is how
Margaret.
You guys are going to be.
You remember that man you collected the transport fare the other time, 45 years ago, that you claimed that you were coming to see him, but you didn't come? Yes. I'm here with your daughter now. By the time you are ready to return my money, you can come and collect your daughter.
Wow. Igwe, she is 24. She said it. She is of age. Even if her mother doesn't come. Sins of the
Sins of the mother,
Madam?
like.
Hey, just exercise patient, okay? These people here, they are professional shorty. That's what they do for a living. Anytime I say second shorty, Layi wasabi. Account number, so she will stand as shorty for your son.
Hey, do you have me second shorty?
Madam, this person is a professional shorty. That's what she does for a living. If your son run away from custody, who would they find? You see me that they will be looking for? This account number that I collect now. Quickly pay. The person is coming from Benin Republic. It's a care so that she can quickly reach here.
Lawyer Benin.
Maybe it's Momo that used to send money to me.
Benin.
So you don't know that with Momo you can send money to some other African countries?
Momo.
All you need to do is use the Momo app or dial *671#. And when you send money to these African countries, they receive it instantly in their local currency. Madam, send the money on time so that this woman can start calling this place.
Okay.
All right. Okay. My account number here for you, sir. Hey, Madam Fatu.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Peller. Sorry, hope the journey don't long you.
No. As soon as I receive the money, I start coming.
That's Momo for you. Hey, you came strongly recommended from your company.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, the station is so far there. We can be going now. All right. Thank you. Confirm.
Dilo.
Afternoon, officer.
Good afternoon.
Hey, Peller.
Yeah.
Please, I want to confirm DP is around.
He's on seat.
Okay. Hey, Mabo.
Wait. My eyes deceiving me. Madam Fatu.
Oh, you know,
is that not you? Very good. Officer, address this for me, please.
Hey, sorry, what's the problem, please?
This one is the wanted shorty, the law. He was shorty for 2 criminals and they ran away.
Sorry, I understand the mix-up. This is a woman, Madam Fatu. I got her from professional.
I said this is a man, the law. What are you telling me?
Let me return her.
And the law, we have to detain you too, please.
Detain herself.
Where are you going?
I'm sorry.
The law.
I don't know, sir.
Come here, the law.
The shorty was a shorty. I didn't know the shorty was a shorty.
Exactly what I was doing. Like, I was even trying to implicate myself before, but now.
Master, thank God I'm meeting for house. I beg, I need your help. What happened? I want me to follow you go deny Belle.
Belle,
you make I follow you go deny Belle. I beg, if you run now, my guy will be. I beg.
Now you get the picking.
Now me get her now.
Why you walk on deny him?
Master, you know say things hard. Just follow me, make we go deny her first.
No, how can you go with somebody to deny Belle? Hey, baby.
Master, we don't run they go. I won't follow my guy go deny Belle. They come. We know they too do am. You want more day to go deny him. Don't me go put for problem. Ahmed, lock this gate and bring the keys.
Limau. Chicken now. Why is that my little girl?
Motell outside is dancing.
Dancing alone is paining them.
In this economy.
Is there village people they invest, they surprised because they are trying to do you bad. Inside the bad, you still they happy. Like things are going worse, but you are still happy inside.
Mama. I have to summon the spirit of sickness.
Doc.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chibugo. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I just thought about you. You can come to the hospital for a full body checkup. I will just got the machine for that. You know the saying, the deadliest sickness are not visible. So
Doctor, I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm fine.
The deadliest sickness are not visible.
The deadliest sickness are not visible, so you have to go for a full body scan.
It's been long I danced.
It's been long you danced. I know you must be feeling slight headache. I'm not having headache. I'm fine. Are you sure you don't have headache? Okay, what about waist pain? My waist.
That is his mind talking to him.
I'm fine. What about neck pain? Don't fall for his tactics. You are healthy. Give me the permission to cast him out. What about your temperature? Are you feeling cold? I'm fine. Or are you feeling extreme warm? What about your bladder?
I will have to involve those who are close to him, his friends and family, to speak words of destruction upon his life.
My bro, what's up?
Otoku, I'm good, and you?
Alpha. I want to start a business.
My G, the last business you started failed. You are a failure when it comes to business.
Don't worry, this one go work out. It go work out.
Just stick to what you know how to do best and leave business.
Bro, it go work out. It go work out. Don't worry.
You know you're a failure when it comes to business.
You know you're a failure when it comes to business. The last business you started, you failed woefully. Why not stick to what you are doing? At least you're getting small change from it.
Permission to cast him out. Fuck him up. Get out.
Get out, evil thoughts. We don't need you.
I will have to influence those on social media to drop comments that will destroy his life.
Like, which comment are they going to bring that will actually destroy his life? Is it just me or
Is it just me or I don't see a future in what you're doing?
Is it just me or I don't see a future in what you are doing? Come to think of it, is there really a future in what you are doing? That guy might be right.
Get out.
There's no future.
Out.
Why is it so difficult to attack those with a strong mind? All those I have attacked are not aware of their power. How come this one knows the kind of power he possesses?
More than comedy, I swear.
Iwundu.
What kind of assistance do you need this time?
I have sent spirits and even words from his close friends, and it's not working. Iwundu, how else can I use words to affect him?
Words are like casting spells, either negative or positive. It can be done through speaking or typing. But it's very important to know that those spells can only affect someone who believes or accepts it.
How can I affect those who are aware of their power? Even the greatest sorcerers cannot affect those who are aware of their powers. The only way to affect them is to make them believe that they are not powerful enough, so they give their powers away. So Iwundu, how can I make him feel or think so? The biggest weapon that has been used is the spirit of fear. Those who have forgotten that they are gods and they have the power to do all things have given their power to something or someone outside of them. Some to their pastors, teachers, dibias, doctors, mentors, images, and so on. What about those who have given their power to Jesus? Most of them feel so helpless, that's why they do so. Even his teachings made us to understand that we've been given the power and authority, and greater works shall we do here on earth. Even though this one knows so much, he's aware of who he is, he's aware of the power he possesses. He doesn't even give me a chance to talk to him. Are you aware that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but transform from one form to another? So once an energy is sent to harm or destroy someone and is being resisted, it goes back to sender. That is why trolls and haters are always in the suffering state. So what are you trying to say? That what I have said... Spartans! What is your profession?
You won't get problem. I want stroll. You know, say before I meet you, I had a life now. I get friends. I want you to work out with them. I want to go receive fresh air. They come out.
If I say your friends, they want jam at them.
As how? I don't understand.
So, what did they worry you? See, if me don't marry you, not feel bad again. No.
Don't marry me. The relationship with they date, and this relationship called a toxic. Because why you not gonna let me they come out? You yoking me for this unpopular video and your shrine. What I can do?
Say easy before you agree for me.
I beg you.
If not beside do one or two, you go agree for me.
You use juju for me, and no wahala, no problem. My eye go so clear. But before then, I want your come out.
You try come out.
Not right?
If not, you go down to yam now. Oh yeah, go inside.
If I'm saying you go use mirror, take look me now. Nothing where you feel do me.
Try go, me I see.
One day I go run come out from this shrine.
You run, you turn to yam.
No wahala now. Last time you fry me. No they add you.
I'm going inside.
I beg you.
Babalawo just dey enjoy. He's enjoying everything and the game.
Make a bomb William Scott.
Bomb somebody like that.
But what did they do? At the bomb, keep bombing. Jesus! What are you bombing now? Now you William Scott. I mean now. I'm not saying that you are the bomb. I don't want to open this one. Talker, no trouble, no trouble, no trouble.
Jesus! I've actually bombed William Scott.
Landlord.
Oh, why, yo, man?
You sent for me.
See, listen, let me tell you.
Okay.
Since the day you and your husband moved into my compound, I've always had my eyes on you.
Wife.
And it pains me to my blood that your husband cannot take care of you. He's so poor and he called himself a barrister. Look at this, your fine skin. Just give me opportunity to take care of you, and that's all. You just have small things, small like this, and 10 million will be yours. 10 million.
Okay.
My God, I don't understand. Landlord, what do you take me for? You mean I should leave my husband to come sleep with you because of money? See, with all due respect, let this be the first and the last time you will ever stop me to tell me this kind of nonsense. What's wrong with you? Because I respect you.
You can ask her generation.
If you tell me this nonsense next time, you get it very
Listen, come. I will add car to it. Okay. Look at this girl that want to help. Come.
Women, an offer 5 and 6. She's not going to reject it.
Why do you have a scowl, glare, and furrowed brows physiognomy? What's the problem?
Baby, can you believe what happened today? This our stupid landlord invited me to his house just to try to sleep with me.
What? Wait, what kind of cloak and dagger, serpentine, surreptitious, dodgy, shonky, and mocky attitude is that? So landlord has the temerity and chospa intrepidity to try to snaffle, skedaddle, and skidoo with my own old dodge and trouble and strife. No, I cannot accept this egregious attitude. Today, he's going to know why they call me the academic juggernaut and erudite apparatchik. Take me there, let's go to his house. No, this is egregious and abysmal. He had the audacity to say that to you. No, you will know who I am.
Baby.
Oh, look at him, sir.
Let me not talk what I'm foreseeing.
Landlord, thank God I met you here. I was already galvanizing and peregrinating to your edifice and habitat.
Okay.
I want to believe that what my wife just told me is utmost cantankerous taradiddle and whippersnapper porcupine. So you have the temerity and chutzpah aplomb to beseech my wife, scrounge, and also tell her to come and indulge in rumpy-pumpy and pata-pata with you. That is so egregious and abysmal. What gave you that temerity to say such a thing?
It's not my fault. Your wife is beautiful. I'm sorry anyway. Sorry.
You're not even afraid of the academic juggernaut and erudite egghead. You have the temerity to say such noxious and virulent words to my wife. What kind of embarrassment is that? Don't you know if I can sue you and you will be engulfed in a state of calaboose for donkey years?
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
Okay. How would you say you want to sleep with my wife? Landlord, if this ever happens again, you won't like my reaction. Baby, come, let's go.
Don't mind him. Because you want to give me 10 million naira, I should leave my husband and sleep with you.
What did you say?
He said if I should sleep with him, he will give me 10 million naira.
He will give you 10 million naira. Come. Landlord, is it true you say you give her 10 million naira?
You joking? Yes.
Why did you tell me now? Landlord, you know, because of our relationship, we're like brothers and sisters. See, my wife is your wife. There's nothing there.
Jesus.
If you say you want to pay her 10 million naira for one time, it's not a problem. You can have her for 2 weeks. Transfer the money to me.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Country is hard now. Gaga to one gaga.
Is it by force to send
Men
money
will
to
ever
people?
be men. When are you guys going to like respect yourself? This woman have tried to like wipe
Bro,
out that
I don't
shame.
tell me no dey follow man. Woman go spoil your life. I see me like this. I get any babe. I get no man. Come on man for your head. You no get sense. Not true. Checkers! Move that boy. Me also make me call tell you say I don't tire for this relationship. Continue. I want us to break up.
See, just for the airport. Since we start this relationship, no be me they feed you guys.
Me when just new get and clear from daily expertise. Just click the link on my bio. It will take you to their website or Telegram channel. They predict show game. Now tell me for your collect one games. When you give me 30 million so. I don't guide now why I want break up.
So you think you can just come into my life, use me and dump me?
For what? Me don't tell you my man. I don't want to do again.
Voila.
For this relationship, we die here.
You know that when you did so. Now of course now you join.
Oh, Bonnie, now you join. Why did you tell her that you have get and clear? You don't get and clear. Why did you tell her that you have made it in life? That is the reason why she will not let you go. Never. Let's say this one from this man here.
My God. They don't give close. And guess what? I bought gift for my girl. What about you?
I'll never be broke in my life.
Yeah. It's the only one providing gift. What about you? Are you not going to give your girlfriend gift? And you're getting married to you guys are dating twins. Like
wait. You know we are twins. So anything you're buying, you need to buy times 2.
Okay. But I'm not dating both of you. You can tell your sister to pay her boyfriend to buy for her.
Mommy, oh, my body they shake.
Will you marry me?
Blood of Jesus.
Marry so that my own will say my marriage.
Say yes. God have mercy upon us.
Una mind, no go touch ground.
Ryan.
Oh, take her.
I leave for class on my head. Now my wife on one leave. My own girlfriend. Now I want
Who is that?
Nami Yash.
Speedy?
Yes, Nami.
Yash, what happened?
I dey perceive food wey dey burn for the compound. Now you dey cook.
For this compound?
Now somebody food dey burn.
I don't cook since now.
You don't cook finish?
Yes, now. I even off gas before I go bath.
The truth be say, I dey perceive one kind of food for up. Now why somebody come as a person which ingredients they cook the food?
You know the food why I cook before you come they ask for ingredients?
No, I don't know. Now why they ask now?
Oh yeah, wait.
Okay.
Ify, bring the food where we serve for Idi. Take.
What be this?
The rice now with some protein.
You mean now?
No.
Blast, I like protein.
Now you get them.
Oh yeah, now based expectation if every good I go eat here.
We dey wait.
You know what? What of Fifi now?
She's fine.
Oh yeah, now may I go eat where my Fifi fine?
You need them.
You're always waiting for when everywhere will good. when and how everywhere is going to good. When you are begging everybody. Let's see this one from Kweke Shu. Who is pursuing it? You have done another crazy thing.
Sure, Kweke. I dey tell am the guy papa na general. You dey say whether they know the phone general picking. I call you ask up play PS now. I dey see a thing lost. Hey. I don't even know when I carry pad go. Walk Kweke.
You even fell into that book for real. Like nobody no go scratch you.
Fresh guy. My brother, I dey see your doings for internet. I say anytime I see you for this street, I go ask you how you dey do this thing. Bro, you dey drip different pictures, different clothes, different chain, different cars. Papa, give me updates now. How you dey take around this shit?
My brother, see, all these things na fake life.
What you mean fake life? Oga, they talk through. Me will be your guy, no life for me. No be fake life.
I dey tell you, say all these things na fake life.
Fake life.
Why show me live?
Who there here?
Oga, na me dey here.
You get polo?
I get them. Now anything you want, but we get them for you.
I go fit test them.
Why not, my boss? Contest.
Don't tell me you're not going to buy them. You're just going to test it and take picture with it, post it that you own it. No, now this is unfair. This is worse than fake life and more than fake life. I swear to God. I want to see what is going to tell that guy, Sha, because.
How the clothes dey?
He go well for your body.
He go well, ba?
He sharp.
I bet help me snap and I just know if the clothes fits me.
No wahala,
I'm astonished. Like, can somebody really have this time to do all this fake life? They have power for all this, oh man. Yeah, I don't have power for it, oh. You know, fake life is very expensive. So that is why they cut down, they give people when they do them. If you indulge in this kind of life, better.
Okay? You get better stock.
You don't confirm
your clothes na better ones. But they tight me for hand. You know, to size me. Shebi, na here you dey stay.
Jesus.
Na here be your shop.
Nah, here be my shop.
You go there here tomorrow.
This man.
No worry. No worry. If I come tomorrow, I go buy. I go patronize it tomorrow. That my phone wait till they snap me my. Thank you. Ayana, later.
I swear. So you dey do am?
My brother, I don't see him now.
Okay, if I want start this fake life now, what thing I need first to do?
Fake life? You get phone here?
I hold my phone.
Carry on, come. Come, man, snap you. Stand for front of this car. Okay. Do your hand like this.
Like this?
Yes, like this. Put it down well. Come. Aya. Post them.
Okay. What thing I go write as caption?
God did. I swear. Yeah. Welcome to the fake life.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on for the car before they go catch you.
Jesus.
None of them even own the car. I even thought that guy with dread owns the car. So none of them own the car. And you're snapping somebody at the front of somebody's car. Let's say this one from SK Records.
Okay, if you dey yawn, you know they cover your mouth. Eh? If you dey yawn, you know they cover your mouth. I'm a short man like you, go dey yawn open mouth like this. I'm on the cover mouth.
That's the first way they yawn with the cover mouth. Which kind of
I don't understand.
Face your front.
Which one be face my front? As you carry me, so no they carry the yawn. If you yawn, they cover your mouth. If you cover your mouth.
I not take a face. In front, I take a face.
Even though I did the motor, no be front it, I see that. No, so until they spread disease.
I they spread disease.
What for you?
I they spread disease.
I know it's there, sir, but I know it's there. Your mouth. Where you go? The yawn anyhow.
I beg, come down. No.
I don't feel come down. I beg.
Come down.
I don't feel come down. I know they come down from this motor. You carry me go where they go.
I know people. I know they let me tell you talk to me.
I say you go carry me go where they go. You should be. Why they stop now? Okay, they carry me they go.
Start talking for motor.
I they start for you.
You start talking for motor.
I don't understand. Okay, they go. No,
I they yawn for motor. Tell me how they yawn. You say I they yawn. I yawn face you.
I tell you, if they yawn, cover your mouth. One show me like you go they yawn, open my heart. What do you want to teach your children?
Come down for me.
I know they call that anything.
You don't call that for the motor?
Never.
Voila, shawo.
They call that the go anyway.
Wait. Don't tell me that SK want to like. hit somebody's car, you want to kill because I didn't do
Baba me. Wow, guy.
How you doing?
Surest. Well done, boss.
Come on, help me carve. I want sharply.
Oh yeah, no wala. Thank you for the other day, Baba me. The tip where you give me, thank you very much.
Yeah, I want just shape carve this my.
Okay, just one carve.
Alpha. Just give me 5 minutes. You go see me now.
Hey, boss, you know say you promise me say if you don't come again, say you go tip me.
Bro, just run am. You know say nah. Oh yeah.
You go tip me again? I talk and say you dey do well for us, boss. Let's go.
No, come on the car. I just want carve this man.
No worry yourself. If you dey do well for us, we go do well for you too. No worry.
But I know they bob my head.
No worry yourself. You wey dey tip boys? Who dey tip boys for this economy?
God have mercy upon us.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this one? Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Now, Babi, you want Babi, you want do tailoring.
If you do well for us, we go do well for you.
Just run am sharp.
Oh, yeah.
Mine now?
No vest. Make I just have to shape in this thing.
Suppose they wash now.
I just want to shape and go on. You wait a tip boys.
Yeah, run am.
What is there that you want to cut? There's no air there.
Yeah, make I go.
Yeah, na boss.
No, we dey go anyhow, Baba.
You wait a tip boys.
Yeah, thank you.
You no go fit wear this cap. Let me help you keep it. If you don't go outside like this, show anybody, they will say you find that.
You cap where I carry enter be that.
No worry yourself. This kind of style like this, you don't need cap. I cap you not.
Right, yeah, now, so make you no be like say. Just keep on.
All this for me.
I thought you say small thing like elephant.
Can you play? What type of plane is this?
You don't bad me that. What's that? Hey, Bahami, calm down now. I want to let you carve your own weapon.
I don't know.
Which one is Inoekun? Why did you give him money? You are the one who caused the problem. Just give him 500 and go. That guy, I've never seen money before in his life. Let's see this one for comedian warrant.
God, thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me this energy, Father Lord. I know this will be the end of everything. This food, Father Lord, this food that I have been able to buy with my money, right now as I'm talking to you, Father Lord, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that, everything that I did in my life, you have given it to me. Yes. You've even given me the opportunity. Now that I've been able to buy this food and then I've been able to put the rat medicine inside, I'm sure I'll be able to kill all the rats in this house. Father Lord, I'm so grateful. You have directed me the right to get the right medicine, to be able to kill the right rat. They are disturbing me in my life. They've been able to chew all my money. They've been able to scrap all the things in my house.
They are the rats.
This is playing.
So now, what make we do?
Oh my God, you are dead man. You're a dead man. You're a dead man. You're a failure. He said, "What are the rats? They are mature kind of rats." Don't stop him.
Okay.
Don't.
Blood of
They're
Jesus.
not stopping.
Okay, you go. Anyway, I want to go that junction this side.
This junction?
Yes, that one, that side.
200.
200. Okay, let's go. Upstairs, you know the place.
I know the place well.
Wait. Go.
For where?
I know why I know where the problem is.
Just
go.
Make they look you like this.
You go.
You go now.
Officer, beg, help me. This my my pikin no dey allow my purse rest. Anytime where I keep money, na so him go collect am. So wahala from one problem to another.
Wait, make I even ask you. This money where you're picking the thief, what thing they can do?
Me, I don't know. I don't remember. I know what thing they use that money do. And I know another place he go there by now. Make we go there go meet.
See, madam. Before we reach there, I want to tell you something. If I reach there, I hold that boy. Don't beg me, oh. Don't beg me because I don't like begging. I will handle him like a thief that he is.
Is I no thief, oh.
What's in him be?
Na collect.
Collecting and stealing. What is the difference? Are you trying to side him? So just take me there.
Make we go catch him.
I reach there, handle her, hold her hand first.
Officer, now here I go there.
You sure say your boy there here?
Now here in the inside. If you enter inside, now you go catch him.
See, madam, make I promise you something. If I enter inside here, don't say that boy they follow me come outside.
Abey, help me, officer. Help. Where officer now? Officer, I know they see my picture.
See that number 2. Play at home. Play number 4. Go.
Say what? Go.
Go now. Say them go score 2 goals.
You sure say you go enter?
I tell you something now. Now we the forecast now.
Fire.
Play straight shot. Just play like that. Play on that 1,000.
Voila.
The important thing is that I am rich. Let me tell you. That is the only thing. What's happened?
Cut one.
Now what do you mean?
See, I'm the game where they wait for them come. Yes.
This one go enter?
Yes, 4 to 7 now. Go up there and go score. No money there now.
I hold 1,000 but na DPO.
Hey, bring her. No more justice and fire now.
What if they lose? This man.
Juventus don't do this. Hey!
Yeah, Daddy.
Cut one again.
If you move out me, your mama say make I go arrest you.
Yeah, what's waiting now? I don't dey here since morning. This to 2 times still dey. More pursue them. You know what's going to happen? Mama say make you arrest me, Abi. Go tell am say to arrest me na 10,000.
You don't be smart guy.
I beg.
Wait, now go see your mama.
Just go and like say you never see me. Just tell her say the place dey intense. I beg.
Yeah, madam.
Well done.
See police officer where I say make him come catch my pikin where they thief my money. Now you don't reach here now. Come they follow and they do the thing where I say make you catch am. Since police no fit catch thief, I don't bring another police where go catch police. Officer, see the 2 thieves. Catch the 2 of them.
Move it.
Hey. You go carry Igbo make you go meet Igbo. How is it going to work? Who does that? Game at the gambler won't go and learn gambling. They actually join you and everything like that. Let's see this one from made in Lagos, made in Ghana, whatsoever.
Madam, my name is made in.
Hey! Oh shit! Rejected. Not good.
I just want.
I just
want to tell you about one SBA too. Okay. Madam, just download one SBA and use the promo code made in Ghana and you get 10% bonus on your first deposit, okay? Okay. Yeah, good to go, yeah? So
I feel your pain.
Really, nigga? Senior. Yeah, this will be my taste, pan.
Hello? What's the promo code again?
What the this?
You're crossing the
God have mercy upon us.
Are you mad or something?
Look at this strong Okutanya. And it was even busting the balloon. And that guy, oh my God. You never form for original guy. You maybe Gabriel. I mean, turn it on. Let's see. Oh, it's actually the end of this comedy. Oh, thank you guys for sticking around to this moment. And as for those of you who actually do not know what I said in this video, like I said something that I'm going to be giving out urgent 2K, just a check-a-leg giveaway for my people, but it is not going to happen just like that. No, yes, I bring out a video that you guys will actually, you know, say something about, like, oh, let me just hit the nail at the head, or let me just hit the hammer on the nail. Let me go straight to the point. Yeah, I'm going to straight to the point right now. So in this particular video, Moscow ran away because his friend brought pepper soup for them to eat. So a lot of people have been wondering why he ran away without eating that pepper soup. I know a lot of you are actually confused. So I decided to make it a puzzle, a form of puzzle for you guys. So who can actually arrange this puzzle will actually be the winner of my urgent 2K. I know that money is little, but I know it will actually go a long way as well, because this tip and period, things no they reach again, but at least things go still reach, you know, understand? So let me know why he ran away, why he didn't eat this pepper soup with his guy. Let me know in the comments. A lot of you do not understand it. Yes, that is what I want. That is what I've been praying for. So at least it will make so many people crack their brain to make sure they get the answer. So you can win your urgent 2K. Just urgent 2K. I might give it to one person. I might give it to 2 people. I might give it to 3 people. I might give it to 4 people. I might give it to 5 people. I might give it to 10 people. But just try to get the answer in the comment below. I know a lot of people will now actually watch this video to their extent. That is why I put it at that particular space, at that particular point in time, so that those of you who actually watch my video longer will actually be the one to benefit from it. So without further ado, let's quickly dive into some funny scenes of this comedy, like very, very funny scenes of this comedy. Let me talk about this particular comedy, this particular one. Yes, this particular one. It is very good to see food and pass, you know, see and pass. You see somebody praying for food, you don't know what that person is praying for. You don't even have any idea if that person is going to eat that food or is going to take it to do something. You just bend down, start eating. At the end of the day, the food was for rats to eat, but you are now the big rat. I love there where he said, "You be the rat." Let's leave that one. Let's jump into Shank comics. Take a look at Shank comics, and you know, Shank comics. A lot of people, you know, that have been watching Shank comics. A lot of people that actually, those of you that actually know Shank comics, you know how it is. Shank comics comedy is always at the end. You know, if you want to laugh, just watch Shank comics from beginning to the end. At the end of the day, you're actually going to laugh out loud because you're actually going to watch it till he said, this and this, mark my meow. But in this point in time, at this point in time, in a case like this, Shank comics said, twisting ghost, I mean, twisting winch. The moment I tried to imagine if there is actually a twisting winch, that got me like laughing. I found myself laughing while I was trying to imagine if there is anything like twisting witch. And the witch actually did like this before it vanished. They don't use it to experiment. At the end of the day, no one could able to turn you back to your original form. It's not good now. It is not good like that. It is not good like that. And look at the general. Let me clean my mouth. The general is actually a very bad guy. I thought he's actually not going to take advantage of this, but he actually took advantage of it. You know, always wanting to get to call a parent. Like, almost so that body. If you're the one, are you not going to do that? Are you not going to do that? Tell me, are you not going to do that? Man, I am going to do that. I even do worst. I'm even doing worse. But I love the fact that he was willing to donate his kidney for the father. He was willing to sacrifice himself for the father because do you know what that father have done for him? Do you know? The father have actually, you know, made the relationship between him and his girlfriend, which is the daughter of that man, to be going smoothly without any interruption. Any small thing, the girl will call father, and father will pave way for them. And that is by so doing, he's helping the general. Why wouldn't he love the man at the point of he was still there for him? So that is for that. And what do you think about this particular comedy? The first one actually made me laugh. You call somebody and you lying all sort of lies, and at the end of the day, you never knew that that person was at your back listening or making calls with you. So what would you do if you find out that person you're telling lies that you are in Abuja, meanwhile you're in Port Harcourt telling that person you're in Abuja, and meanwhile you're holding that person money, and the person just was standing right beside you or right behind you? What will you do if you notice that that person is behind you? I would just do like this. I would just vanish like that, I swear. Because you will be so shocked there. You will be so shocked. You know how shocking it is. It is very shocking. Very, 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 very shocking. So guys, what is that part that make you laugh loud? What is that part? What is that part that made you laugh? What is that part? Let me know. Let me know. And before I forget, I've actually, you know, enabled membership on my channel, crityreacts channel. If you see, if you click my name on YouTube, it will refer you to my channel. And when you get to my channel, you see something like subscribe and join. Especially those that have not subscribed, you see subscribe and join. If you have subscribed, you see only subscribed and join. If you have not, you will see subscribe and join. That means you're going to subscribe and also join. You can subscribe to my channel and also join. So that membership is just a means for you to be paying for some particular special treatment, like special offer. Every month you just add your card. YouTube will actually be removing or debiting you automatically. They are not going to be debiting you what they feel like to debit you. They are actually going to debit you depend on the amount you want them to debit from you. Say yes, once you click join, you will see the offer I'm going to be offering you, and you will see the amount you're going to be paying for every month. Like you're going to be getting special shout out, you're going to be the one to be watching my video immediately it is published. You're going to watch it first before others can watch it, and you're going to have freedom to comment on my channel, and you're going to, you know, have a special badge attached to your name. Like whenever you comment, there is going to be a verified badge, different color, that's going to stand near your name. I know you would love to have that so that you feel special. That is a special offer, so you're going to be buying them. You can put any amount you want to be, you know, paying every month to get that special offer. So that is what membership is all about. All right, guys, without further ado, I think I'm wrapping up. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy. Stick around Crity Reacts and don't touch the dial. Have a wonderful time. I'm out.